IAE V2500 Thrust Reverser Cowl Doors Opening Procedure. Before you start the work, make sure that you follow all the safety precautions as outlined in the Aircraft Maintenance Manual. Put a warning notice on the center pedestal to tell people not to start the engine. In the same way, put a warning notice on the overhead maintenance panel to make sure that the FADEC ground power push button stays in the off position. Open the fan cowl doors. Gain access to the hydraulic control unit lever and deactivate the thrust reverser system. Now, open the thrust reverser pressure relief doors on the bottom of the nacelle. Remove the auxiliary latch assembly from its retention clip on the left-hand thrust reverser half and make sure that the latch is adjusted to its minimum length before engaging the auxiliary latch assembly in the hook on the right-hand thrust reverser half. Turn the body of the auxiliary latch assembly with a spanner to pull the thrust reverser halves closer together and to relieve the tension on the latches. Once the tension is relieved, release the 5 latches in the following order according to the Aircraft Maintenance Manual. The latches are counted from forward to aft. They are released in the following order: 3, 2, 5, and then 6, 4, 1. Begin with the latch in position number 3, the middle bifurcation latch. Continue with the latch number 2, the forward bifurcation latch. Release the translating sleeve double latch in positions 5 and 6. Then the aft bifurcation latch number 4. Finally, release the V-groove latch in position number 1, which will make the red flag of the hold open device appear. Turn the auxiliary latch assembly to make it longer and disengage it from the hook on the right-hand thrust reverser half. Then, stow the auxiliary latch assembly into its retention clip. Remove the protection cap and connect the hose of the hand pump to the quick disconnect on the thrust reverser half. Close the valve on the hand pump. Now, operate the hand pump until the thrust reverser half is fully open. The thrust reverser half is held open by 2 hold-open rods stowed inside the thrust reverser half. Open the clip assembly to release the aft hold-open rod. Push the lock arm and fully extend the hold-open rod until it locks in the fully extended position. While the rod plunger is held close to the anchorage bracket on the engine, the valve on the hand pump is slowly opened until the plunger engages. Close the valve on the hand pump again. Release the forward hold-open rod from its clip assembly and hold it in position in its bracket on the engine. Open the valve on the hand pump so that the plunger of the forward hold-open rod engages. Now, the weight of the thrust reverser half is equally carried by the 2 hold-open rods. The second half is opened in the same way. Once all doors are opened, the engine is accessible for maintenance operations.